Wow, that was a very long tennis match. I am very tired. Thank you for the game. Thank you. I am so exhausted.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Bobblehead Slow English Shorts. Native English speakers will use different terms to describe being tired. Take a look at the examples on this list, which goes from least to most. I am a bit tired. I am low on energy. I am very tired. I am so exhausted. I am absolutely worn out. Now, it is your turn to try. I am so exhausted. Let us listen to the conversation one more time, and you can try to repeat what they say. It is okay if you are in a place where you cannot speak out loud. In that case, it still helps if you try to say the sentence silently in your head.
Wow, that was a very long tennis match. Wow, that was a very long tennis match. I am very tired. Thank you for the game. I am very tired. Thank you for the game. Thank you. I am so exhausted. Thank you. I am so exhausted.
Thank you for spending time with Listen Speak Academy today. Hope you have learned something new. Take care and see you soon. If you have not already, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you soon and take care.